Okay, guys. So I guess this is a Uncle Cow channel update slash EDC update. The one big update to my EDC is I got a power chair. Okay. So how did this happen? Hold on. They've really upgraded these things, guys. I can adjust the seat, you know, the way I need it. It's really for my comfort as well. Great for my lower back. So, what does this mean for the channel? Easier for me to move around. I'm shopping for the next camera, and that'll help me, set things up and certainly run the channel by myself a lot easier. Possibly outdoor videos. A lot of people have been asking for that, and with the manual, it's near impossible. But in this thing, I can go outside by myself, but I'm playing with it. I'm not going to do that by myself yet. So I just got this chair yesterday, but moves around quite nicely. Makes sharp turns. Armrests are flat. So this will make making videos, in theory, easier. Still keeping the manual chair for emergencies, and there are certain things that I may not want the manual chair for, but other than that, yeah, got a power chair. Still need a way to transport it. Again, if you want help with that, ways to do that are in the description and my face in the video at the end. Now, why do I get help with the chair and not the van? Well, your guess is as good as mine. That's how this wonderful system of ours works. I can't figure it out either. In fact, they're the ones who told us, oh, just set up a PayPal or a GoFundMe account, and you'll eventually get money for a van. So that's how that works. So new chair, new possibilities for the channel. Shopping for a new camera. Hopefully I can get that for Hanukkah, so I don't have to pay for it. Because, yeah. So there's that. Thank you all for watching. Stay tuned. I'll be going back to the Dojang soon. Hopefully, if I can get this van, that would be great. It'll be a different school, but it's run by a master who's known me for a very long time. So that will be good. I'll be able to continue training and not have to relearn a lot of things, and the quest for Fourth Dawn will continue. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching. Leave questions if you have any. Leave video ideas in the comments. And like I always say, be safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.